what you know about cookies and caches. So you know that our cookies and caches can be stole our data from our website, from our Facebook. Do you know that? So sometimes it can be stole our informative document from our Facebook or from our social media. So in this video I will show you how can you clear your cookies and caches for save your information. uh, for saving your information, you can see here I got the option cookies and caches. How can I clear that? I will show the process. So for clearing cookies and caches, you have to simply go here in your Facebook app. After come here on your Facebook app, you have to simply click here three line. After clicking here three line, you have to simply scroll down for a little bit, and then you can see here settings and privacy. You have to simply click here settings. After clicking here settings, you will can see here option. If you scroll down, you will can see here option browser. You can see here browser option. Through the browser option, you will can see here cookies and cache. So it's your browsing activity. It can be still from your Facebook by third party. So you have to simply click here clear, and then you have to simply click here clear. By that process, you can clear your cookies. You can see here you last clear today. So that's way you can clear your cookies from your Facebook. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much.